So I love this Dewalt planer. It works well. I used this planer for many projects and gotten a lot of use out of it. Still running good. The only thing is the snipe. So this one, I don't know if it's view. Okay, so this is kind of comes through on the camera, but that's the snipe. You just can't avoid it. I took this apart and saw what might be causing it. It's the roller that is actually, it's got about 2 to 3 thousandth of an inch protruded downward compared to the blade. And then same thing on the back end. So and the spring is pretty stiff. So it must, move the workpiece. And I tried everything. I tried this, longer piece even, and you looked at a lot of YouTube videos, nothing worked. I think by design, it cannot be fixed. So remedy is you cut out this about 6 inches, 6 or 7 inches of a scrap wood, depth matching scrap wood, and just feed it before and after, and it'll take the hit, take the snipe, and then your workpiece will come out straight. So there's no snipe visible, or just kind of cutting this, getting it, tilting it this way so I can see the shade is on my side and see if there's any light peeking through. There's nothing in this one too. Nothing there. And that one as well. So I don't see anything, any light peeking through. So, and there's no visible snipe mark. So this works well. If you have one of these things, I'm pretty sure a lot of people have this. They sold a lot of these things. Again, great, works great, but it's just, snipe, in my opinion, in my experience, is unavoidable. So feed one of these before and after. Longer the better, safer, and then it'll get rid of the snipe for you if you have one of these.